Okay students, today we are going to discuss about lesson number 2, that is managing files and folders. How to manage files and different folders are there on your computer, that things we can learn here. Okay, coming to the Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It offers you to manage and organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, move, rename and search files and folders. So Windows Explorers will be organized to your files and folders, and it can show you, or it can tell you that, or it can use to view, create, delete, copy and move, remove, everything it can be use it. Coming to the Open Windows Explorer. What is Open Windows Explorer? How to open it? That thing it is written clearly. First you have to click on the start button. Okay, first of all you have to click on the start button, that will be there on your computer monitor left side button. Okay, bottom of the corner left side bottom, the start button is there. All programs, then go to the all programs, then go to the accessories, Windows Explorer option is there. Okay, so in this way you can open your Windows Explorer. Now coming to the files and folders. What do you mean by file? A file is a collection of related information stored together on same storage device such as hard disk, CD, DVD or pen drive. Suppose what I am telling you, suppose in our class 40 students are there, all the 40 students result sheet suppose I need to prepare. So what I have to do, in your Excel sheet I have to write all the students name, roll number, subject, marks, everything. Okay, so that thing if I want to save it or store it in other device, okay, so same thing I can store it using my file name is what, result sheet. If I will use my file name, so I can use my pen drive, I can use my hard disk, CD, DVD. So using that device I can transfer my files from one device to another, or I can store for long term also. Coming to the folder, as we keep all our files in a one cabinet, so folder means what, suppose result sheet, fourth standard result sheet, fifth standard result sheet, so all the sheets I cannot mix in one file, so I have to rename, that is folder. Folder means what, one folder for the fourth standard, another folder for fifth standard, like that I have to rename, so that I can, or anybody can easily identify the folder names. Create a file. How to create a file? Okay, how to create a file? The procedure is open Microsoft Word, MS Word. It starts with a blank page, मतलब blank page ही आएगा. Okay, then you have to click on the file, new option में जाके new option में जाके click करना पड़ेगा. Start typing text on the blank page, मतलब कुछ भी तुम्हें लिखना पड़ेगा, then only it will be saved. Okay, after completing the work, save your work by using the file save option. Anything suppose you want to write, that you can write it, then you go for save button. Okay, type a file name, जो भी फाइल का नाम में तुम्हें रखना है ना, suppose 4th standard result sheet या 4th standard mark sheet, whatever you want to type, that thing you can type your file name. Okay, and go for the save as dialog box. It is there, dialog box, that one you click on that. Okay, in this way the file will be generated. Next, creating and opening a folder. Creating and opening a, how to create or open a folder. Okay, so in the simple way I'm going to tell you. First of all, what you have to do, right click on the mouse, whatever I am saying you just make make it note so that you can use it later. Mouse को left click करना, okay, then one new option will be coming, new option, NEW, new option will be coming. Once you are click on that, top of the list you will get one folder option, that you have to click on that. It will be asked for, just type whatever you want to give your folder name, you can just note type, then it will be just press enter, whatever folder name you want to give you can give it, it's over. Okay, so in this way also you can create and opening a folder. Suppose your name is Satish, so Satish के नाम में तुम्हारा फोल्डर बन गया, अभी उसको ओपन कैसे करोगे, बस जस्ट डबल क्लिक ओवर द फोल्डर, इट विल बी ओपन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, moving or copying a file folder from one drive to another. In the simplest way I am telling you, suppose we are having two files, one 4th standard and second one is 5th standard result sheet. Both the result sheet, how I will transfer from one device to another. So one device to another means what? Let us go for one example. 4th and 5th standard result sheet I have. What I have to do? I have to select, or I have to use my pen drive or USB or hard disk or CD drive, you can say. That thing I have to select first. Both the files I have to just click on that once. Then use the send option, right click of your mouse. Then send to the USB name, it will be coming automatically, whatever USB you are using or pen drive you are using. Then just click on that, automatically the files, same files, it will be transferred from your monitor to your pen drive or your desktop to your pen drive or USB, you can say. Another thing is there, what both the files you just make it copy, open your pen drive and you just paste it there, same file will be transferred. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हारा फाइल वो पूरा चला गया परमानेंटली, ऐसा नहीं, कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे तो वैसा जाएगा, ट्रांसफर करोगे भी तो वही फाइल ही जाएगा. कॉट पेस्ट करोगे ना तो पूरा तुम्हारा फाइल डिलीट हो जाएगा, उसका पेन ड्राइव में सेव हो जाएगा. कॉपी पेस्ट एंड कट पेस्ट बोथ आर डिफरेंट. ओके, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज. नेक्स्ट, moving or copying a file or folder between storage device. Just now I said moving or copying, both are different. Moving means moving, copy means copy and cut both are different. What I said, copy and cut both are different. Moving means, as I said, it will be move from one device to another in the different way. As I said, one procedure is by using copy both the files and you have to paste it, and another one is send option. You can go for send option and automatically the file will be transferred. Okay, wherever you want to send, then it will be transferred easily. Coming to the deleting a file or folder. Okay, so how to delete a file? Suppose you made one file or folder wrongly, that thing you want to delete. So what you have to do? Just click on that over your file or folder of your mouse, then right click, delete option is there, just you press shift delete, the file will be deleted permanently. If you are any file, if you are using shift delete, then it will be deleted permanently. Only delete if you are using, then it will be stored in recycle bin. And wrongly if you have deleted your files, then you can easily recover also if your file is there in your recycle bin. Okay, next, restoring a file or folder. Restoring means what? Suppose, as I said just now, wrongly you have deleted your files and you want to recover it. So what you have to do? You have to go to the recycle bin just copy या cut your files from recycle bin and paste your file wherever you want, that is your desktop or any D drive or E drive or in your pen drive, USB, wherever you want to paste it, you can paste it, then only your file will be open. In your recycle bin your file will not open, but the file will be there. Okay, same thing you can copy paste. Okay, so I hope everybody understood about your lesson number 2.